Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all sorts of exotic stuff from everywhere, shipped out of Melbourne.
And what the heck is going on here? We've got a trolley full of stuff.
We have, and hopefully it's all the same stuff, although I'm not going to open every single box to find out, because this is all part of the one delivery. It should be 20 boxes of very exciting things.
It's a massive delivery.
It is.
We've actually wheeled the trolley in just for this video.
You're going to love this one.
Yeah? Why?
Because it's a great design. It's part of a great collection.
I have no idea what this is. I'm very excited, actually.
Oh, you don't... Oh,
It's upside... Oh.
upside down, Miss Jane.
Oh, no.
I'll probably tell us on the box what it is. And if not, you've probably headed it the right thing anyway. So this is... Let me spin it round. For those that can't see or can't read, this is the 10-ounce silver bullion coin for the Tudor Beast.
We've been waiting for these for a little while, haven't we?
We certainly have. Dum, dum, dum.
I always get mixed up with like the sizes. I don't think about it until all of a sudden the reveal, bang, there's 10 ounces. There you go.
Well, there's 30 ounces, mate.
Yeah, okay, touche. Yeah.
Just short of a kilo. So you can see there, actually I'll cut one out. So they're shrink wrapped in. And we'll very gingerly cut one out.
It's all right, you can go crazy. I'm very far away. So.
It's actually the coin capsule I was worried about damaging, not you. So there you go. And again, as I've said many times, the 10 ounce is my favourite size because it's big enough to show the detail of the design, but small enough to still fit in your hand and be affordable.
It's also a good beer coaster.
It's a small beer coaster though. you need a kilo coin at least for a beer coaster. Yeah. And the other side, it's got the pimpling, which has a technical term.
The pimpling. Come on, you can't call it the pimpling. That makes it sound disgusting.
I can't remember what it actually does have a real name, and I'm blown if I can remember what it is. But yeah, it has the security pimpling in the background with Her Majesty stamped on there.
If anyone in the comments knows what the actual technical term for the pimpling is, please let Michael know.
So we've got, as you can see, we have lots and lots and lots of them. But bearing in mind there's 20 boxes of them here, there's 15 in a box, so there's about 300 of them. Going by the previous 10-ounce coins and the fact that you just can't get 10-ounce coins this year, these will go relatively quickly. So if this is the collection that interests you, grab them while you can, because I won't be bringing in more, and if I do, they certainly won't be in this number. So
get them while you can.
You can. I mean, they will last a few weeks. They're not going to sell out in 10 minutes on the web. But
fingers crossed.
Yeah. But yeah, it's one of those things where if you think I'd really like to get one of those, get it sooner rather than later.
Awesome. Well, thanks for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.